Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another spotlight video talking about a company I have a lot of admiration and respect for, Blackland safety razors. So Blackland was founded in 2015 by a gentleman named Shane Schwarzlander. I believe I'm pronouncing that correct. Schwartzlander for us Yankees. But as you can tell from the last name, it's a German name, and I think that the name itself, Blackland, comes from just a direct German translation of Schwarzlander is Blackland. And so he named the company after his heritage, and he also kind of has a design inspiration around American heritage of safety razors and of machining things out of quality materials like stainless steel. I think he does some brass stuff as well, and titanium. He has several different models. Most popular and kind of one of the flagship models would be the Black Bird, and this is named after the I think it's SR-71 stealth jet that the United States produced in the 70s. And so it has a really kind of cool look to it. It's long channels that go down through the handle. The different finish options, he does a polish finish, he does a machine finish, just standard finish, and then they have different handle lengths. So you can get the normal handle length, or you can get the super long handle like this guy over here. So people who want the really long handle experience, more feel, more grip, whatever, they have that option. Now at Razor Emporium, we can take these and polish the steel and plate them in rhodium or gold, and this is an example of one of those that's been done in 24 karat gold. Now that's something exclusive to our store, just to kind of increase the value and kind of the experience of using it, having a premium finish like this. So these weigh in, the basic ones, the standard length handle around 94 grams. They are CNC machined out of solid 303 billet steel. They range in price from $200 or so, maybe $185, $200 up to $340. Depends on finish options and handle, etc. They have a lifetime guarantee, and even the logo kind of has kind of a playback to the heritage of the stag leap, kind of a deer leaping forward, but also looking back at the heritage of where it came from. And so I think the Razor line is meant to also do that, look forward with these new materials and new manufacturing techniques, but also kind of a nod to the past. But overall, I'm very impressed with the Razor company. He's based out of San Francisco. He packages them nicely. They're beautifully machined. He has, good quality. And he's now doing a new era of razors that's called the Era. It's actually a sophisticated 3D printing technology that has a machining component as well. It's not something we carry yet. I don't think he has it open for wholesale, but I do tip my hat off to Shane for kind of pioneering something different with razors and producing some really great ones. He has the Vector as well, and a couple other models, but the Saber, I think, as well. Just overall, a great American company. He's got a lifetime guarantee, and he really tries to bring his background of industrial design and engineering into the razor line and have form and function really meet. So a lot of respect for Shane, a lot of respect for what he's doing, and really happy to have it as part of Razor Emporium. So just wanted to kind of give you a quick look at Blackland razors. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.